Hi guys. This is Mo Arden of NowBuildIt.com. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make money from building a website around your passion. Do you like food? And I mean not just enjoying your daily eating and drinking, but also experimenting on new recipes and reading about them? Then starting food-related blog or website could be right up your alley. Food blogs are popular and may be easy to monetize. But like all other work-at-home options, it takes planning, follow-through, and persistence to achieve success. Before you cook your first dish, or start to photograph food, it's worth taking a while to conceptualize a couple of ideas around which you'll plan your blog. The following are some key tips to getting started and making money from a food blog. Tip number 1. You must be ready to make a decision on the sort of food that you simply want to start out. Niches tend to draw an audience more effectively than general topics, even when it involves food. Niches to think about are gluten, carb or sugar-free, vegan, or frugal cooking. Or, you can concentrate on a kind of food, like chocolate or side dishes. Tip number 2. You ought to then add 10 to 15 recipes directly, so that your readers will have several to read. After that, create a blogging schedule to feature several recipes every week. Also, when you start to share your recipes, you need to take tantalizing photos and provide clear step-by-step instructions. Don't be afraid to feature personalized information, like changes you made to the recipe, or stories about the recipe's history. And finally, the foremost important tip. You need to look at your food blog as a start to building a business, and not just site or blog building. One myth many believe is that by just building a blog, people will magically find and read about it. But that is just not true. People can't read something that they cannot find. That is why it's essential that an internet business does more and beyond than to chase a couple of dollars with quick and easy sites. And blogs can turn into electronic piles of magazine cuttings that get stale as soon as you cease blogging. Sites and blogs cannot be compared to the complete income potential of a properly constructed e-business. So, where should you start? Introducing Solo Build It. Solo Build It is an all-in-one, step-by-step system of process and software business builder, and what that means is that it enables real people to build real online businesses about real niches, with joy and passion. In Solo Build It you will be able to unlock the number one thing that's been holding you back, and empower yourself to overcome any and all obstacles. Evaluate, pick and refine your business concept to ensure maximum profitability. Discover how you can grow the largest and most stable income quicker than you ever thought possible. Easily overcome your biggest fear and turn Solo Build It into the best investment you have ever made. But hey, don't take my word for it. Here's proof that Solo Build It websites that are getting insane amount of traffic and high rankings on Alexa.com. All these websites are competing for traffic with 200 million other websites and have astoundingly achieved a top 0.5% ranking. The sad reality? Most sites, even the sharpest looking ones, attract almost no visitors. No traffic generates no income, not the results you seek. Solo Build It gets you results, and an investment in Solo Build It today means that you will immediately receive a step-by-step video, written and mobile versions of the action guide that will help you every step of the way, leading you through the most effective online business building process available anywhere. All the tools you need to grow your increasingly profitable online business. From niche research, to site building, to monetization planning, Solo Build It has you covered. Solo Build It keeps you up to date, so you don't have to waste low-yield time doing it. Software updates and additions are free and automatic too. "24/7 support is always at your fingertips. And get business building assistance at the Help and Be Helped Solo Build It forums, an exclusive, private community of like-minded solopreneurs who care. Now are hard times, and Solo Build It wants to help as many people as possible. Solo Build It has been championing the benefits of working from home and enjoying what you do since 1997. Now, for the first time in history, Solo Build It is offering their services at a heavily discounted price during these difficult times. Solo Build It has slashed both their annual and monthly plans to help you get going. They've helped people from around the world take back control of their future. They can do the same for you. Today you won't invest $29.99 per month, or $299 per year. Today your price, and only if you act now, is $19.99 per month, or $199 per year. The income possibilities of Solo Build It are limitless. But you won't achieve anything, you won't change anything, and you won't take a step towards the future if you don't act. Now is the time to achieve your dream of generating a stable and recurring income from your profitable online business. There is no better time now than to take that first step. To decide that Solo Build It is the right product for you, and it can help you achieve your dream in running a profitable online business. Simply click on the link in the description below to get started right now.